Guys, sa Animal Crossing daw, mahirap to. Smile, best!
Delete din yung boat natin. Hindi nangyari sa atin.
Guys, kasi bukas tong train station sa Germany, kaya ang daming pigeon. Pigeon. Bagong-bago pa naman. 200 euros.
Oo nga. What the heck?
Ito na lang may ano kami, wet wipes.
Yes.
Yan, may sabon na. Yun na, trash.
Ito, nag-mark tuloy.
So recap. Our train is delayed from Frankfurt to Amsterdam. Bunch of papers for our new ticket, but this one is direct. It's gonna leave at 11 through 186, but we're gonna get there around the same time, which is awesome. Yeah, 329, so it's gonna be a direct one. But now I am waiting for seat reservations in the ticket office, so just look. I got our seat reservation, I got rebook tickets, so we're just waiting for our train to go to Amsterdam at 11:26. It is currently 10:30, so we still have an hour. We did TikTok already. We're gonna see how we're gonna entertain ourselves for the next hour.
Meine Damen und Herren, leider ist die ladies and gentlemen, unfortunately the switchpoint failure isn't solved yet, so we have to wait here for 10 to 15 minutes. We wish you a pleasant journey. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us.
Okay, not showing my face on this room tour because I look very haggard, but this is our hotel for Amsterdam for 5 nights. First night today, we have a little cabinet over here. Excuse my breath. Cupboards, when I used that earlier. Our stuff is still here. I haven't fixed it, but we have a really nice table and really wide space, which is much bigger than our Frankfurt one. But this thing has shared washroom, so I'm gonna show you that when I go there. Buses, because it's the same 852. Oh, may mga iwan na ng doon or rentahan
Na.
wheelchair.
Parang mag-rent tayo dyan.
A locker.
I love.
Merong ano dito, nakikipicture, magpa-picture. Ay, outdoor naman eh. Yeah, this is big ass shit. Let's go. Guys, there's a thing here where you find your name. There's so many tulip names, around 3,000. I couldn't find my actual name or my second name, but they have Kate, which is right. And if you click on Kate, it is a single blade group. What is the difference again? Yeah. It's like not very pie-y. Mamaya pa yung pagkain. Pero I got the chicken. This is a brioche burger with
I just had burger last night. Having burger
I have a chicken satay. This is my proper meal in Amsterdam. Because yesterday I stayed in the hotel. Whatever.
I love their ketchup.
Yeah, their ketchup and mayo is different. I love their pickled stuff. Not too sour. The mayo is also different. I kind of sweet. Smile best. Guys, sa Animal Crossing daw mahirap to. Basta anong tanim mo?
Yung aking spring onions. Lapit ng ma-harvest. Yung pechay.
Ito, tumubo na tong tulips. Ito na. Maybe. Okay, isa pa pala. Ha?
So, yun lang ang
Oo. Yeah.
Delayed din yung boat natin.
Sino sa inyo may panat sa Next time ba? Separate na.
Uy! Uy! Ano nangyari?
Kayo kasi tatabingin kami. Okay.
Uy! Parang gatay.
Nagpapatawad po kami. Parang palagay ko kasalanan.
Mamaya pagbaba niya, sabihin niyo napagod kami. Kailangan ng refresher, ganun. Can we walk?
Push.
There.
Low tide. Low tide yata eh.
Nagawan kami ng papel eh. Nauna ka na. Sabi niya siguro, babae na ka na nga. Ay, nagawan ko kami mas marami
Kami
siya.
na palakpakan namin kayo.
Bigyan niyo ng cherry papaya. Bigyan ng jacket.
Bigyan ng jacket yan.
Sabi siya na rin magbalik.
Hindi na niya binitawan. Tinitignan pa ko niya kung ano. Oh my God.
Meanwhile.
Ako eh, baka mas takpa ulit. Umayo ka na lang.
May picture mo nga kami ni Rafael.
Bakit?
Sabihin mo, happy.
Ayoko na shake hands. Ano gusto mo? Sama na ako sa shake hands.
Ba't parang si May lang? Hi, May!